Daniel Hawke cutting it up rough on his Jetta. Go Dan! He's having a good day for his 15th birthday. Go Daniel, happy birthday.